In this video, I will show you exactly how to lock an element in Adobe Express so you can design without accidentally moving your layers around. When you're working on a complex project with many different images, text boxes, and graphics, it is very easy to click the wrong thing and mess up your alignment. Thankfully, Adobe Express has a simple fix position feature that keeps everything right where it belongs. To get started, open your project and identify the specific object you want to secure. You can click on an image, a block of text, or any graphic currently sitting on your canvas. Once the element is highlighted, you need to open the Options menu. There are two quick ways to do this. You can either right-click directly on the object itself, or you can look for the floating toolbar that appears above it and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down list that appears, simply select the lock option. As soon as you click it, you will notice a small padlock icon appearing on the border of the object. This visual cue confirms that the element is now fixed in place. While it is locked, you will not be able to drag it, resize it, or change its layers until you decide to unlock it again. This is incredibly helpful when you have a background image that needs to stay still while you fine-tune the smaller details on top of it. If you ever need to make changes later, you can simply